Good morning. It is what used to be hump day, but today it's not because who knows what it is. It's a short week. But we do have a lot of news coming out this week, and we'll see what had happened with the expiring fiscal cliff, and we'll have a little bit better idea. But we do have a lot of news starting today that can have some dramatic effect on the market. This will be the first full day back for traders. This will be our first opportunity to see normal volume. We've got one number in particular today, which is the ISM index number, which is a manufacturing number, which will give us an idea. Now, the market's held up remarkably well through all of the bad news, through all of the banter, through all the talk. The market's maintained a rally posture. Now, I'm personally looking for levels of some support. Now, we have been basically pretty much range bound. If you use the S&P as your gauge, somewhere between 1380 and 1460. This week we are down towards the lower end of that range, and I would expect to see some early buying coming back into January. A lot of people that did their tax selling will be looking to re-enter some of the positions that they got into. But we will look at the numbers and we will see what's going on, and if we do violate some of these levels, we will look for a possible change in direction. For right now, what we want to do now is we want to let the markets and let the charts reset themselves and give us opportunity. I would think that there's more of a likelihood, based on what's going on at this moment, there's more of a likelihood that there could be a little pop, a little rally. It's typically the beginning of January is a little bit stronger, so we'll see how that goes. But what I will be looking for now is for opportunities at possible taking some short positions and looking for some resistance levels to sell. Now, I'm not going to rush into the market here. I want to see if we can get some sort of a rally. I would be looking for the 1430 to 1450 basis the S&P. I'll be looking for the 13.2, 13.3 in the Dow. And that's what we want to focus on right now. We now want to go back to what the basics are and let the charts dictate what we want to see. I'm looking for a much higher year of volatility. I'm looking for much more action in the market, which I believe will create a lot more opportunities for us as traders. Now, last year, at the end of the year, Bubba's picks, we kind of closed it down a little bit because I knew that there was too much gambling going on, and we don't want to gamble, okay? We want to take calculated risk. So now we'll be back in full force. Bubba's picks has had a very good year last year. Hope to see you as a part of it. Remember my calls. If you're interested, I do an option call on Monday night and a regular call on Tuesday night. Looking forward to seeing you for Wednesday, the Bubba Show. Have a great day. We'll see you on Thursday.